Welcome back to my channel. I am Tamia Ivy, and in today's video is going to be either a I don't know y'all. So y'all see my head, it looks really crazy right now. Today is Thursday. It's Thursday now, and today I'm supposed to be getting my hair done. I have a photo shoot that I'm going to be in Friday at 5 o'clock. I don't know what time I'm getting my hair done today. She didn't text me back yet, but I know I'm getting my hair done today. I recorded some other footage from like a week ago. I might insert it. Yeah, I'm gonna insert that here.
Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you do better than you do.
It's my mama's birthday. This is for my mama. This is for Chaz. It's Chaz's birthday too. Chaz finna get in the car.
Suppose we can, suppose.
Okay.
Yeah, like, oh, that's amazing.
You ain't even.
That's, yeah, she racing the lake all on her leg and stuff. We all over 21. We not condoning no underage drinking.
Yes, no. They be drinking anyway.
You gotta give fat ass liquor stains. It's Tito's though, don't worry.
It's Tito's.
Y'all ready?
Just cut into some short.
Will.
Where's
Alright, cheers.
shot number 2? Yeah, I must the first one.
Shot number 10. Y'all, we so fucked up. Like, I don't even remember what shot we on.
What we at?
I don't even know.
Damn.
My name is Yara. This shot number 10. Number 10.
Let me see. I can't drink it yet.
I'm just twirling my shit.
I'm not gonna take my twirl.
Okay, come on. Damn, y'all ain't. I thought y'all.
I took a little bit.
Okay.
Tap it up. She's so nasty.
She be having me so fucked up though.
That's the only good thing about it. We finna go to Hooters. Why this ain't come out up there? Her ass. She trying to do that beatbox thing. It's upside down. You said that.
Y'all seen I've been looking into being a lash tech, and let's calm down. While I've been practicing, I enjoy doing lashes. I honestly do. So I really feel like that is something that I can take serious and actually like become a lash tech. So I really think like that's something like that I'm really gonna, start doing. So I think that's the next thing in my life that I'm going to be focusing on. Good morning. Well, it's not the morning anymore, but it's about like 2:15. I just had 2 pickup orders. Now I have a Uber package order that I'm doing right now. I'm waiting for the Uber to be confirmed. But my hair appointment, I'm really tired, y'all. My hair appointment is at 4:15, so my hair appointment is in 2 hours. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl, let's get the basics. Whoa, he's a replacer. You're what? It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China. Favorite, you're my favorite.
The order is ready. She's on her way now, so
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seem my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? You know better, know you cool better than you do. Call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about love. Obviously got got so much talent, man. Once again, I gotta give props to her for being on the road. You ain't even vlogging.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl, let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so